Hello, guys. Today I did a chonguito bien bonito. And then barely right now, Julia tells me, why'd you put it so front? Así me gusta a mí, you know? Okay. So, yesterday in the night, the kids went all the way to the trash can, and it's far. Porque, pues, we don't have a car. ¿Verdad? We already had accumulated all that trash. Jesus, it was like 6 bags, no? Quién sé cuántos little ones. Diet Dr. Pepper. La Samantha, you know those games that I told you about that her and Julia get in? They they win money. And then so when she has a certain amount, she'll transfer it to her bank account. Well, she had $21 left. She had $21. And since Walmart delivers, she ordered sodas because we love soda. Two of them at their Diet Dr. Pepper, Diet Thunder. She bought me 2 gallons of milk. I'm so grateful. She was like, it's because I want cereal. Thank you. Like, I don't know how she did it, but. And then, yeah. Llegó todas las groceries y poquitas. Y, and then later, we were watching a movie. Sorry, guys, I'm out of it and spaced out and everything. I just came back from the eye doctor. And he put a shot or two, no? Me pone una para hacerle nam, ¿verdad? Me pone una shot para hacerle nam y luego la otra. Ay, no. Ay, girls. I don't wear this blouse and no. Of course. With this one, you can cut your question. Look at. Ooh, squishy. Shake it, but don't break it. Anyways, yeah. And then Julia had in the cupboards, I found a lo mein. No, see, it was a little soup that you had water and stuff, but it was chinito. Yeah. Yeah, you know what? I can't see you guys. On the bottom of my eye, remember how it used to get red? When they would put me shots, I think it's gonna be red by tomorrow. This one. This one, yeah, it doesn't work. Ooh. I think I just have to. ¿Quieres un panecito? Decía tu papá cuando se tomaba un café y si había pan francés, le encantaba ese jale. Not paying attention to me because she's watching a show. I like the soup because I put a lot of veggies in it. And then in my nipple hurts. I don't have nothing. What do you say? Go ahead and do whatever you want when your eyesight comes back. You'll be all right. But I see everything blurry still. And right here, If I look down, I see one, two, three, I think three big black dots like this. That always happens. Ay, mi chorrillo. No van a pensar mal, que ando acá bien chorreada. No, 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 no. No, no, no. Let me tell you something. When my Julia was in middle school or high school, they'd all be talking, all her little friends and stuff. And this one girl, what I was telling her, ya estás bien mojada, ¿verdad? ¿Cómo se dice? Ya, ya estás toda chorreada. And the one was like, wow. Y siempre le decía, guys, let's talk about something. I wasn't going to, but let's. My car is still in Juarez, but I did text Patty. And I know that she just had her surgery and everything came out good, thank God, amen. Okay. And then she's got people that are watching her. Somebody's got to watch her and feed her and everything because 30 days they had to remove her breast because of the cancer. She's a fighter. She's a fighter. I know in a couple of days she's going to get up and be mopping and stuff like that. She's very movida, you know. I like that. I wish I was like that. When I take my pain pill for my back, I'm just laying there, always laying in the bed, just watching videos, whatever. All chancluda, okay? No makeup, no hair, nothing. All chancluda. And I was like, all of a sudden I get up and I started sweeping and this and that. I didn't realize that my back pain was almost gone. I mean, I don't know if it took it away completely or not. But I just started cleaning and I felt so happy. The thing is, those pain pills that I have to take them 3 times a day. You take it and you're good to go. But from the time that this one wears out and you're gonna drink your next one, and this period right here, oh man, it hurts like a motherfucker. Right now, I don't know what was wrong with me. We went in the little van. He took forever to come. I was mad. I was crying. I was crying, and I knew he was Mexican because he was. We called him, and he said that he'd be away here in about 15 minutes. Oh, you know. I was gonna tell him this time. I was outside already sitting in my wheelchair since they wheeled me up like on the ramp. But Julia tells me, "Ay, ma, ponte a rezar." Like, ponte a orar, you know? When she said those words, I just went like that and started praying and blessing him, whoever he was, you know? And it worked. And I didn't cry no more in the day. No, ayer no. Ay, no. Sírvate más, mamita. No está picoso. Ya, le eché la carterita del lo mein. Y al último le hice así. Y tenía puros pedacitos de chile de árbol. Ay, güey, un chile de french fry. My french fry. Guys, so don't be embarrassed to say hello under the comments. You know, sometimes if I don't put a little check mark or say something, it's not because I don't want to. Guys, it's because, you know how I tell you I have 5 herniated discs. That's a lot. That's a lot of pain. You guys don't even imagine. Like, like I tell you, usually we're gonna go somewhere. Then I put on my face and wah wah wah. Then on mukbang, así bien guapa. No me gusta. Ya ven, last time I came out in 1 or 2 videos where I was all chancluda because I wanted you guys to see the real me. But Sam went to sleep upstairs. So that was what I did today. Go to the doctor. It took forever for them to come pick us up. But it's okay. It's okay, but I really need my car so bad, man. See, look, let me show you. This was in that thing where I told you that I put it in there like a spice. No la puedo agarrar, es because I can't see. Bueno, anyways, ahí tiene chilito. Ahí lo agarré el güey. Mira. The black thing. It's like chilito. Guys, are you gonna take your kids trick or treating? You know, in Christianity, we're not supposed to celebrate Halloween because it's the day that El Día de los Muertos, you know, for them. It's like, ah. Ay, wait, unas papas, como no veo, se me figura que son un hueso, así como, ¿cómo se llama? Carrizo, carne carrizo y con los tuétanos y todo el jale de la real meat, you know. It's expensive, guys, but you know what? You've been showing me that she likes to, when she gets mandadito from the Kmart, from the Walmart, she shows me and she tells me the prices. That sopita was like fideo, está buena. A mí sí me gustó. Le faltó sal. Sí le faltó sal, pero hello, here's to you. Así se ríe a mí, mi boyfriend, el que se murió. If he would have known, he knew that I did my mukbangs. But he would tell me, a mí no me vas a grabar en ese pinche cosa, que no sé qué. Mira, no puedo agarrarla, I can't see. There it is. I don't like onion. Y'all like onions? I like it raw with, my hamburger. Girl, I've been craving a Whataburger. I'm gonna get some good money on Friday. See, that's the first of the month, my money. But from there, we're gonna see who I have to pay and stuff. And I had told the girls that I would give them 50 each. But I think that there's gonna be money left. I need to. ¿Cuándo dijiste que iba a ser? 700? Como 700? Como 700. What is this? Parece chorizo, güey. Look at that, guys.
Looks like a jalapeno. It's green.
Jalapeno.
What los jalapenos that you wanted to
Ah, sí. Son los que le eché al repollo. Oh, es que hice un caldito de repollo. But it was just a little bit of repollo. Cabbage soup. Porque estaba oyendo al Len Spirit que estaba haciendo su mukbang. Len Spirit is so so funny. And he actually is black. His real hair, like he's going bald, really bald, and he only has like pelitos right here and back here a little bit. So he wears wigs, right? But woman wigs, and he does his makeup on live. And if you want to follow him, his name is Lynn, Lynn, and then Spirit. He was one of the first mukbangers that I saw. There's another one up in California. Shout out to her. A la chunky but funky. Mm-hmm. I like it. I think it's cool to mukbang. Or else I wouldn't have done it, Y'all think I'm a Facebook. I post my beautiful pictures. I think I look beautiful when I'm arreglada, ¿verdad? Así, enseñando el cleavage que se me ve el corazoncito. Entonces, me pongo muy guapa. Todas mis wigs, I have a lot of them. And I just take pictures. I just think I'm so pretty. With wig. Yeah, nomás. This is a little wig, you know that, right? I have 2 or 3 chongos like that. Look, I'm trying to eat, but every time I look down, I see those 3 black dots. It's funny. They're the size of like a dime. Qué rico me está cayendo esta sopita, man. Always enough sopita from that noodle. And then I put the garlic that we're buying now, real garlic, minced garlic. Cabbage. Julia bought me that cabbage. ¿Tú me lo compraste,
I think you did.
Oh, I think, okay. How long has it been in the fridge? Like a week or more? Like a little bit more than a week. That's because I would get money and I would buy groceries, and then she wouldn't. She would go buy groceries. But anyways, when que les estaba platicando, hija.
Cabbage.
Oh yeah. Did you say they're here?
No.
Um, it's early, que no?
3:10.
Mm. And dip, baby, dip. Come on now, dip, baby, dip. When I was little, if there was a loaf of bread on the table, yo por eso siempre tengo mi loaf of bread aquí, porque me acuerdo when I was little. When I was little, yeah. Yeah. Julia's gonna do my nails today. See that, Mom? And I want orange. I don't know. But she told me, you said you wanted orange. I wanted orange on my toes. You know that they can actually add on nails to your feet, to your toes. Que cura, ¿verdad? Todo lo que está pasando. Guys, that's because I can't see. I don't know what the fuck. Oh, yeah. Let me see what time it is. 22 minutes. Let me tell you a joke. Because I'm starting to get bored. And I am going to eat all my sopita. It's jalapeno. What's jalapeno? Yeah. I don't know if y'all know, but back in the day when Mexicans would tell jokes, because they came from Mexico, they always said that it was a little boy named Pepito. I don't know if you guys remember Pepito, but jokes were always on the Pepito. I'm going to tell it to you because my brother in heaven is one that told it to me. Pepito would work in the market right there in the thing, and they would tell him, "Yeah, what is this? What is this? What is that?" Y le daban una ferecita. And then one day, his boss wanted to help out, because he knew that he was doing it to feed his brothers and his mama. Yeah. She bought him like a dozen avocados. She put him in a basket. And he said, "Órale." Sorry. It was his friend, a priest. Sorry, Father Doug. He was a priest. So every day he runs everywhere and trying to sell his aguacates, and he yells, "Aguacates, aguacates." ¿Verdad? And Dude, the church is in service in the middle of the, their church. And he goes, you know how they put the benches this way and this way, and then empty in the middle. Este pinche Pepito venía con su basket. Aguacates, aguacates. And then the father, the priest, gets him by the hand, and he's like, "You can't do that here. Don't be doing that here. Go do it outside." Excuse me. And then another day he comes again, like the next couple of weeks. And the priest was like, he had to stop the service to get him out. And then he yanks him from the ear. Like, que no entiendes que aquí no te puedes meter a vender tus aguacates. Porque él entraba y gritaba, aguacates, aguacates, llévelo, llévelo, llévelo. And then, que viene la third time. Ay, no. Y le dice, you better stop coming in and interrupting my service, He didn't care. He comes in and he has two aguacates así, enseñándolos y todo, la chingada. Los abre uno para que los vean que están bien bonitos, bien verdecitos. And then, yo no te dije lo que te iba a hacer. Te dije que no. And he was so mad and he started stomping on his little basket and the aguacates. And then Pepito just looks at everything and then he picks it up like this and he goes, guacamole, guacamole. And that's it, guys. I fucked it up because I haven't told that joke in years. I fucked it up because I said it was a man. It was the priest. Es que allá como en los ranchitos en México. Pues allá everybody knows everybody, Did you like it, Mama? Or not too much? But did you eat it all? No? Where is it? I'll eat it. Wait. No le comió nada. Ay, mija, no te gustó. It's okay. You don't have to like it, you know what I mean? What a bitch, none really. So what are you eating instead?
A sandwich.
Con el pan tostadito, te lo tostaste allá.
In the microwave.
Órale, órale, carnal. Ajá, guys. When the man was getting me out of the wheelchair to go in the building to my appointment, I told her, go, just go sign me in. We had already called it, we were going to be late. And this man, yes, he drove all right, yeah. We took forever. And I told him, what the fuck? Oh, it's a stuffed animal.
Mm-hmm.
Es que, mira, parecía un perrito así chiquito, pug.
Mm-hmm.
Qué pendeja estoy. Anyways, I got more soup now. Oh, look at this piece. I'm finna eat. Onion. Oh, yeah, onions. Raw. Yola. Pues que no me dejaron. Me quitó YouTube el video de ayer. Ayer les hice un video y I know it was the day that Samantha was right there and she had on the Golden Girls, I think. And it was like, porque telling her, bájale. Ay, sí. Ay. Mm-hmm. There's a lot of things you cannot do. You know what I mean? You cannot threaten anybody on here. I have, métete en mi de esta a ver cuántos subscribers tengo en
Like
YouTube.
450.
450. I have about 450 subscribers, okay? I accomplished that by posting on my Facebook page that I had a channel, and then I said in Spanish, there's another paragraph in Spanish. And if they would like to follow me and subscribe to my channel, ring the bell, give me the like, all that stuff. So I'm really happy that you guys are here with me, with my chula family. Todas también chulas y bien chulos. I tell my girls, only when I wear a wig, only when I wear a wig, do I feel like, ooh, I'm sexy, you know? But yeah, and then all the men that go into my other inbox, in my inbox, they tell me I'm so beautiful. A lot of them have told me, will you marry me? The ones from Nigeria and from Ghana, okay? Um, I didn't think anybody would notice or whatever. But when he said, will you marry me? I said, yes, this Friday. And then my friend saw it and she put a laughing face and she, ha, ha, ha. Oh, pobrecitos, they want to come over here, pero yo no voy a caer con eso, you know what I mean? I don't care that I'm old and ya estoy ruquisito. Chavarruqui, la chavarruqui. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Guys, when I came right now, I felt so out of it. Even walking like if I'm drunk, ¿verdad? Me da miedo. Y la niña la agarró, me apepenó de la niña o de lo que haya. We're done on groceries. I'm not. But I still love my soup because I need it. It's soup. My sister would call it soup. I love to show that little heart. I think it's very sexy. And you know what I think I'm going to do? I think I'm going to add some more hearts. For the fuck of it. All right, guys. You guys behave. If you wear your wig, use the glue. I don't. Mine has flown off my head a couple of times. Bye-bye, guys.